I want to start by thanking all of the members of the Somali community around the world, and I want to welcome you to the International Somali Awards. And to honor the resilience, creativity, and determination of our community.
I'm here at the International Somali Awards tonight. It's a pleasure to be here in Istanbul in Turkey with a lot of Somali excellence, you know what I mean? All these Somali people that have done great things in their respective fields.
I'm so excited to be here at the International Somali Awards. I'm just truly inspired and blessed to be here.
To see this, for me, it's like, it's beautiful. It's a blessing.
It's amazing what's being done here. It's so inspiring, it's so motivating, being around so many great people doing so much great things in the world. It makes me want to do better.
Remain optimistic and committed to building a brighter future for all Somalis.
All of the people here are so inspiring. It's so incredible to see the incredible work that's being done, not only in Somalia, but all around the world. Like, our diaspora spreads literally across the world. If it wasn't for a platform like this, I would never know the incredible work that's being done.